The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2011 through 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the black trim. So this is going to be different than the models with the metal rail, or later on the black metal rail. Early on was chrome. This is a different fit. To our knowledge, there's not a system that incorporates into the black plastic trim, so you do need a clamp system like this. And this is the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp with the black load bars, 60 inches in length. Silver is also available. The clamp foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle-specific fitting kit 145332. Locks can be purchased as an additional accessory, but are not required. That's strictly just a security element. Crossbars are spaced at 26 3/4 inches apart. Weight capacity 165 pounds, evenly distributed, so still great for bikes, kayaks, cargo, things of that nature. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.